You need to watch this if you struggle with making your sentence more interesting and precise. Adverbs are the key. These versatile words add depth and detail to our writing, paint a clearer picture in the reader's mind. Think of adverbs as the spice rack of language, offering a pitch of description, a dash of intensity, or a sprinkle of nuance. In essence, adverbs describe verbs, adjectives, or even other adverbs. They answer questions like how, when, where, why, or to what extent. By providing this extra layer of information, adverbs empower us to communicate our thoughts and ideas with greater accuracy and flair. Imagine you're describing a friend singing. Instead of simply saying she sings, you could say she sings beautifully or she sings loudly. See how the adverbs beautifully and loudly provide a more vivid understanding of a singing style. That's the magic of adverbs. Let's embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of adverbs. We'll uncover the secret, learn the rules, and discover how they wield their power effectively in our own writing. Get ready to transform your sentence from ordinary to extraordinary. Welcome to Learning English with Fasil. Adverbs are like chameleon, adapting to modify a different part of speech. Their primary role is to modify verbs, providing insights to the action itself. For example, he walked quickly tells us how he walks with the adverb quickly, modifying the verb walks. But adverbs do not stop there. They can also modify adjective, intensifying or toning down the descriptive power. Consider the sentence, the sunset was incredibly beautiful. Here the adverb incredibly emphasizes the beauty of the sunset, making the adjective beautiful even more impactful. Furthermore, adverbs can modify other adverbs, creating a chain of description. Take the phrase, she sings very beautifully. The adverb very modifies the adverb beautifully, indicating a heightened level of singing talent. To illustrate further, let's look at some examples. Verb modification can be the train arrived earlier, and adjective modification can be the coffee was extremely hot, and adverb modification can be he spoke very softly. As you can see, adverbs play a crucial role in shaping the meaning and impact of our sentence. By understanding how they modify different parts of speech, we can use them strategically to create rich and nuanced language. One of the easiest ways to spot an adverb is by its ending. Many adverbs are formed by adding ly to an adjective. For instance, quickly, slowly becomes slowly, and happy becomes happily. This handy suffix is a telltale sign that you've encountered an adverb. However, not all adverbs end in ly, and not all words ending in ly are adverbs. Some adverbs have been quite uniform, like well, fast, or soon. Conversely, words like lovely and friendly are adjectives despite the ly ending. To avoid confusion, it is essential to consider the word function with a sentence. Which is a sentence. Ask yourself, is this word describing a verb, adjective, or another verb, adverb? If the answer is yes, you are likely dealing with an adverb, regardless of its ending. Here are some examples. Adverbs with ly ending can be she danced gratefully, or an adverb without ly ending can be he ran faster, or an adjective with ly ending can be the friendly dog walked or stayed. By paying attention to both form and function, you can completely identify adverbs and understand their role in conveying meaning. Just like arranging furniture in a room, placing adverbs correctly is crucial for creating harmonious and understandable sentences, while adverbs of flexibility in the positioning, setting guidelines can help us avoid ambiguity and ensure clarity in our writing. Generally, adverbs are placed close to words as they modify. For instance, the sentence quickly finishes homework. The adverb quickly sits sangly next to the verb finished, clearly indicates the speed of its completion. However, adverbs can also appear at the beginning of the end of a sentence, depending on the emphasis you want to achieve. For example, suddenly the light went out emphasizes the abruptness of the event, while the light went out suddenly places more focus on the action itself. Here's a helpful tip. When adverb modifies the verb phrase, it often goes to after the first auxiliary verb. For example, she always late for a meaning. Remember, the clarity is a key when it comes to adverb placement. Experiment with different positions to find most natural and effective way to convey out your intended meaning. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to learn English faster. For more fun and informative grammar tips, see you next time.